Today I have an exciting project to share with you. We are turning an empty cabinet in my laundry room into a super cool cat litter enclosure and food station. Plus, I will share some tips on making sure the food's safe from our curious dogs and giving our new cats a safe space if they need some time apart. We were keeping the food and cat litter in this corner and it was a little messy. So I had an empty cabinet here in the laundry room that I wanted to dedicate to our new kitties. So I removed one door and a shelf inside to make space for the litter box. I kept one door because I want to keep some way locked to keep the litter door closed all times. Then I added a fake grass to act as a rug for when they come out of the litter, they are able to clean the little paws. I open this door once per day to clean the litter. Now I'm going to build a partition to separate the litter area from the food and water area. This keeps the food safe from any flying litter and the smell and gives some privacy. Here I'm cutting the partition and dry fit. I have this pipe here and I'm just cutting a small section to fit in, nothing fancy. You can get away with using only the jigsaw for this entire project. Before I install this partition, I am installing this catch door. This will keep the smell away from the laundry room and keep the food and water safe, I hope. This little door was so easy to install and looks really cool. I will never need to lock this door, but in case you're installing on the actual door and need to lock, it's pretty simple too. I installed the partition behind the scenes because I couldn't do without with the camera inside since the space is too tight. I also added some automatic lights in both spaces. Every time they come in, the lights will turn automatically and is rechargeable. So I left one side open just so I can teach them how to go through the door. I think I left for a day. Then was time to close the cabinet back. Using a paint can as a template, I realized that I should leave the bottom trim in place. I think it would look better, but I only thought about this later after I cut it and I installed. But again, I cut with my jigsaw, I cut the arch, then I sand the wood filler that I added, and then I paint like one coat of paint just to give it a clean and fresh look, and then it was time for installation. Remember, we are doing this to keep our cat's food safe from the dogs. The partition helps, but you can also add a little latch to the cabinet doors if your dogs are really determined. Our dogs will grow and won't be able to even fit their head inside of this arch, so we'll be okay. I will eventually add some final touches, make a cute sign, some catnip toys to make it feel like home. But for now, I want to make sure they know how to use them first, and then I see what I need to add over time. Before I actually finish this project, let's introduce our cats to the new space. Give them some time to explore and get comfortable. This last one here, she's a little bit hesitate about anything, so she's always the last one, and sometimes she really are stubborn. This setup also give them a safe space until they are comfortable with the puppies. So Hopefully, they will love it. By the time this video is live and you're watching, it will be a week with the new puppies, and they are finally slowly getting comfortable with each other. After staring at this arch for one more day, I felt like needed something else. So I decided to customize the arch because it was looking like someone just cut a hole in the door. So I just used some Sharpie and my terrible drawing skills, and now I am happy with the result. Thanks for joining me on this fun DIY project. I hope you enjoyed and feel inspired to create a special space for your pets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun projects and updates. See you in the next time. Bye!